Lesson 74, scientific notation. Write in scientific notation. All right, is this a big number or small number? It is big. Are we going to have positive or negative exponents? Positive. When we put it in scientific notation, it will be times 10 to a positive power because it's a big number, all right? Little tiny small numbers will have decimals to the left. So we always put the decimal between the first two numbers that are not 0. All right, so 4.79, and we don't need these two zeros here. All right, you just do how many numbers there are. And then we do times 10, and this decimal that is here, right, if I put it here, how many spaces would I have to move it to get it back to 47,900? Yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces would put it back. Those are now equal to each other, right? They are the same. All right, how about 49,900 times 10 to the negative 11? So first we're going to put the decimal between the 4 and the 9. All right, and then we're just going to look at this number first, okay? So let's just pretend like we're only doing 49,900, all right? It's a big number, and how many spaces would it have to move to get back to 49,900? 4. All right, so I rewrite just this part in scientific notation, and then I have that times 10 to the negative 11. All right, now what we do with those 10s is just like if I asked you what x squared times x cubed is, you guys would tell me? Yeah, because we add exponents. These have the same base, and we add exponents. So I'm going to do times 10 to the, what's 4 minus 11? Okay, and that will be your final answer. All right. So without looking at the times 10 part, okay, if you just look at this piece here, is that a big number or small number? Small number. So is my exponent going to be positive or negative? It is going to be negative. Where should I put the decimal to start, you guys? Yes, between the first two numbers that are not 0. All right, so I'm going to rewrite this as 4.99. And again, pretend like this isn't here yet. We'll put that back in a minute. Okay, I'm only looking at the decimal for now. So it's 4.99 times 10. How many spaces would move it back to where it originally was? Yep, 4 spaces, but to the left. All right, which means I would move it left 4. Okay, now I want to put this part back on here. Boop, boop, boop. All right, I still have this times 10 to the third. So now I need to add exponents for the 10s. So I have 4.99 times 10 to the negative 1. Yep, negative 4 plus 3. All right, let's try another one. All right, everyone, where should I put the decimal to start on just this piece here? 2.34. Then I do times 10 to the, good, 1, 2, 3, negative 3. Why am I doing a negative? This is a really small number. It's a decimal, okay? And then I have times 10 to the negative 2. So my final step is to do 2.34. I don't know why I added that random 3 in there. All right, times 10 to the what? Good. These add to make negative 5. All right, negative 3 plus negative 2. All right, now let's do, is this one a big number or small number? So positive or negative exponent? All right, where do I put the decimal to start? 4.7 times 10 to the what? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then I still have the times 10 to the 7th, and we add exponents. So I do times 10 to the 11th. Okay. Let's try some whiteboards.